Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech gadgets and tools. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Smraza 104 PC's double-sided PCB board kit, which many consider the best prototype PCB board available for DIY soldering and electronic projects. If you're into electronics, Arduino kits, or just looking to take your DIY circuit building to the next level, this kit is perfect for you. It comes with a total of 104 pieces, including 31 double-sided prototype boards, 30 header connectors, and other essential accessories that will make your soldering tasks a breeze. Whether you're building a simple project or experimenting with more complex circuit designs, this set has you covered. The kit includes a range of PCB boards in 5 different sizes, ranging from 2 by 8 cm to 7 by 9 cm, which means you'll have just the right board for any size project. These boards are made of high-quality, durable FR4 fiberglass material, ensuring they're sturdy and reliable for long-term use. Plus, they feature pre-tinned holes, making it easier for you to solder components with ease and precision. In addition to the boards, you also get 10 pieces each of male and female header connectors, perfect for connecting your components together, as well as 13 pieces of screw terminal blocks, which allow you to make secure connections. The kit even includes 30 jumper caps, offering more flexibility in your designs. The Smraza PCB kit is also designed to be practical with its compact packaging. Everything comes in a neat plastic box, keeping your workspace organized and clutter-free. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned DIYer, this PCB kit is designed to save you time and effort while improving the quality of your projects. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, versatile, and affordable PCB board kit for your next project, the Smraza 104 PC's double-sided PCB board kit is the one to get. It's not just a great value for money but also a reliable companion for all your electronic experiments. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights.